This video is for the 6th grade Fundraiser Commercial Assignment 2, Voice and Music. First, go to wevideo.com and you're going to click Login in the top right corner. Click Login with Google. Then what you're going to do is find your video and put your pointer on it, click on Continue Editing. Okay, next what you're going to do is make sure that you have all of your text done, and you're going to click on the media folder up at the top just to make sure that you got this stuff underneath it. And then you're going to click on the microphone. Then click on Allow. Then what you're going to do is check off Preview while recording. And then click on the microphone to record, and you're going to read what appears on the screen. Did you know that 3.9 million dogs are given up to animal shelters each year? Okay, so then you hit stop. You don't have to read what's in the in-text citation. And then you click on the blue check mark when you're done. Next, what you're going to do is you're actually going to put your pointer toward the bottom left corner on audio 1 and click on the red trash can to delete it. And then underneath that, you're going to see where your voiceover is. So then what you want to do is you want to click on your text box and then put your pointer on the right hand side of the text box and drag it so that it ends at the same time as your voice recording. And if you have to, scoot your other text boxes over by just putting your pointer in the middle of them and then just clicking and dragging them. Then what you're going to do is rewind by clicking and dragging the blue playhead over to the beginning of the second text box. And then again, you're going to hit the record button. Then click Preview while recording, and then the microphone. And sadly, 3.4 million cats are given up to animal shelters each year. Check. And again, we want to make sure that our text matches up with our voice. So see how this text box is too long? Click on it once, then put your pointer at the end of it. Click and drag it to end at the same time as your voice, and then put your pointer in the middle of the third one and the fourth one and drag it over. And essentially, you want to repeat those steps so that you have your voice recorded for each scene. So again, rewind and then click on the microphone, preview while recording, and then microphone, click on it. Join us for a 5K road race to help feed homeless animals and help them find new homes. Click there, click there. And then again, make sure that the text matches up with the voice. And yeah, for some reason it ended up down here, but we want to just make sure that it goes there at the end. And then finally, click on your third text box, drag it to end at the same time as your voice. Drag the fourth one over, and then make sure that it's rewound to where it needs to be, and then hit record again. Click Preview while recording, and then the microphone. Homeless Animals 5K, May 1st, 2016, Hanover Middle School. Stop, checkbox. Alright, and so then what you want to do, again, is make sure that the text box matches. So click on the end and click and drag it to appear to end at the same time as your voice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some music. So you're going to click on the plus sign over here on the left hand side. And then you're going to check audio right here. You're going to erase where it says audio 1 and then type in music and click OK. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to click on the little music note there and find music that you want to use. So there's lots of options. You would click on an option and then hit play to listen to it over here. And if you decide that you want it, then what you would do is you would just scroll down in the little timeline here so that we can see the new music track. And you would click and drag the song to go into your music track. So again, you might need to scroll down over here and then drag it into music. Now what's going to happen is the song is going to be longer than our voice recording. So we're just going to click down here and drag to the left so that we zoom our timeline out, and we can see that the song ends after about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we're going to click on the song and then put your pointer at the end of the song and then click and drag it so that it ends at the same time as your voice. Then the last thing you're going to do is rewind and check the volume. So I'm just going to click and drag that blue playhead to rewind and then hit the play button over here. And you can tell that the voice is quiet and the music is a bit loud. So over here for the voice, we can click and drag the volume to make it louder, and we can click and drag the music to make it softer, and then hit play to test it out.
And sadly, 3.4 million cats are given up to animal shelters.
And then just make sure that the volume's adjusted so that you can hear everything. And that's it.